Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. December 6th. Oh, December 6th. How important is December 6th? Very, very important. Now, let me explain to you why December 6th is important, right? The XRP lawsuit. Amici Kuria, attorney, claims to have critical evidence about community's XRP holding. Critical evidence. Now, check this out. The market is in upheaval, the Attorney General Ed Eaton's last tweet about his claims on holding's objective empirical evidence, provided that the majority amounting to approximately 60% of the XRP holders were unaware of Ripple when they had invested in their token for the first time. What does that mean? Henceforth, according to the Howey test, it is almost impossible to ascertain that the XRP community was relying on the promises of a promoter or company they're oblivious to. The SEC is required to answer the crux of the matter. Why does the XRP hold the security status by December 6, 2021, making it one of the most critical dates of judgment for XRP holders? I don't know about you, but I'm doing a happy dance. I'm doing a happy dance over here right now, and if only you could see. If only you could see the smile on my face right now. 60% of XRP holders, and he has objective empirical evidence that 60% of XRP holders weren't even aware of what Ripple is or who Ripple is when making their decision. Therefore, there's no way that the company persuaded them to buy. Oh my. Oh, if only my voice was better. It's still not back to where it was. Oh, I am excited. I am truly excited. This is fantastic. This is gonna be a good day. December 6th. Can't wait. Now, the SEC commissioner will not say if ETH is a security. They're just not. They just will not, will they? They are just keeping their mouth shut. Why? Because after Ripple, they want to go after Ethereum 2.0. And I am willing to put two dots together and say that they're almost willing-ish to settle with Ripple so that they can go after Ethereum 2.0. Because you know what? I reckon they got a much better chance at winning against Ethereum 2.0 than they ever had with Ripple. Ever. But let's see what happens. Now, when you are researching about Ripple, jump on the website and look at the case studies. Right? There's some fantastic case studies around what solution particular organizations were looking for and why they chose Ripple XRP. Check it out. And the other thing as well is when you are on the website, download this, which is the future of CBDCs. It's a fantastic document. You do have to give a little bit of information and click the download report, but well worth it. Like an introduction to CBDCs, very, very, very worth the read. Now, XRP price heads south as Ripple fails to find buyers. We'll talk about that. And is a 20% drop to 85 cents likely if the bulls fail to support XRP? We will definitely speak about that as well today. I won't let you go without me talking about it. And XRP price analysis, XRP consolidation above $1 hints at a big move incoming. Now, this for me makes more sense than us going to 85 cents. So yeah, it's going to be really, really interesting, but we will definitely cover that off. Now, December 8th, the full committee will convene for a hybrid hearing entitled Digital Assets and the Future of Finance. This is the US House Committee of Financial Services. So big things are brewing. Big things are brewing. And also the Biden Treasury nominee says that there will be no more private bank accounts and all of the deposit accounts will be held directly at the Fed. So lots and lots of things happening over there. And I think, we are set for a blockbuster end to the year. But let's jump into it, Tanya. Let's have a look at some indicators. Now, before we get into the XRP price charts and looking at the daily and the hourly and the 4-hourly and all that, so let me take a look first, and I want to show you what we're seeing at the moment from a Bitcoin chart. And we are seeing that the prices are dropping. We've got 55,000 at the moment, and it's continuing to drop. And we knew that this was a possibility. And so what can happen from here, from a market perspective? When we look at the hourly on the Bitcoin, you can see that the market is almost going back to where it was. It's not far away from where it reached, right? I think 55.7 was the last time that it reached there. And generally what happens in these things, like I mentioned, right? It goes up, people get excited, and then boom, it comes back down. And that's what we're finding, right? So we're looking at where do we go from here, from that perspective. So like how much more will Bitcoin dip? And so I think potentially the way that it's looking at the moment, I think it will dip a little bit more than what it did a couple of days ago. That's my intuition telling me, I've been looking at these things long enough. And so where do we drop? Where do we go to? Well, I think we will probably head towards 54.8, maybe even a high 53. So be prepared. If it does continue to drop, it will drop into that, which means that we will see a 90 cents or an 85 cents XRP, which will be insane pricing, right? It will be incredible to think that we're going to see these prices again, and then it'll pick up and the whole market will kick off again. So we are watching this very, very closely, how this particular market is behaving at the moment. But let's get into the XRP. We're sitting at $1.03 at the moment, 1.26% down for the day, and it's playing out exactly like I mentioned, right? I knew it was a fake out. It was too good to be true. And when something's too good to be true, it usually is. And that's exactly what happened. It went up a little bit. Everybody got excited, but no, we are still continuing to go down. On the hourly, same thing is happening at the moment. Like we did reach $1.05, but now we're starting to drop. And we'll probably see $1 flat. $1 flat. And then if Bitcoin continues to drop further and further and further, that's when we will start to see potentially 85 cents. But there is a lot of support at $1 flat for XRP, and 90 to 95 cents to me is more likely. But what I'm saying at the moment is all eyes on the moving average 100. That there is really, really important. All eyes on the moving average 100. Once we go above the moving average 100, we're in the clear. Until then, it is still a buying opportunity at the moment. So treat it that way. Keep your eyes on it. Do not rush this. Do not rush your decisions. Take your time. And as always, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I don't want you making mistakes. And, take your time and be patient. Let's have a look at some drawings. Now, let's kick off the drawings with the worst case scenario, right? Why are people talking about 85 to 86 cents? Well, this is where the next level of support is. And like I said, if the market is continuing to go red, then that's exactly where we will go. And then shoot off from here. That's a critical support. Again, there is so much support at $1 flat. Hard to see this come through, but I have to mention it because it is a genuine possibility that this could happen. So how would we go? We would go something like this, and then we would shoot off. However, when we do go, we're going to go, and it's going to go double digits, right? And it is exciting, very, very, very much exciting. And I know what's coming. And despite the red, I do sleep like a baby at night. And again, it's not financial advisor, I'm not a financial advisor. I know what's coming. I know what game the whales are playing. I know how much they're accumulating at the moment throughout this and how much they're taking off the centralized exchanges and putting them into ledgers. So I sleep very well at night because I definitely know what I hold. And if I have opportunities to accumulate, I have been accumulating throughout this period and will continue to do so, especially if we get to 85 cents. That'll be phenomenal. Some key points, as always, 124, 148, 169, 184, 196, and going above, consolidating above $1.96, and then we start to head towards $3. And then beyond, of course, as we approach and go towards the double-digit territory, which we will see. Now, keep an eye out for 85. Stay patient. We will finish this off, and then we're off and to break previous all-time highs. It's super exciting time. Like I said, patience and time in the market will always be time in the market. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thank you. I look forward to see you on the next one.